Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's tutorial I have for this colorful purples. I love this combination of colors and I'm so excited to do this tutorial for you guys because I saw these colors in my palette and I was like So this is not wearable, but sometimes it's wearable because I want to wear this look. So I really hope that you like this tutorial much as I did. And wow, look these colors. The purple is so different from the yellow, but this gold glitter just holds everything together. And this is what I like about this look. I don't have the eyeliner, so it makes a little easier. And that's it. I really hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news. And also like this video if you already like this makeup look. So now let's get started. To begin this makeup look, I'm gonna apply a eyeshadow base, and this is the Paint Spot Soft Ochre by MAC. I'm gonna apply with my clean finger all over the lid. And now I'm gonna use the eyeliner Eclipse by Sigma Beauty, and this is from the Nightlife collection. So I'm gonna basically create the whole cut crease in my eyes. I'm gonna apply a little bit in the outer corner of my eyes in the lower lash line as well, just to darken the look a little bit. Next, I'm gonna just blend this eyeliner a little bit using a small brush. And then I'm gonna apply right on top the shadow Poison Plum by Sugar Pill. I love this purple shade. It's so beautiful and so bright, so be careful because of the fallout. Once I apply the color, I'm gonna just blend the edges with the same brush. And now I'm gonna clean up the eyelid using my concealer, and this is the Radiance Cream Concealer by NARS. I'm gonna use an angled brush to apply this product. And right on top, I'm gonna apply the shade Buttercup Cake. Is this bright and beautiful yellow. Is so pigmented. I like this color so much, especially using this shade and the purple together. And this shade is also by Sugar Pill. And to create some details in this makeup look, I'm gonna apply the glitter Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay. I'm gonna use this glitter in my crease and a little bit in my tear duct area as well. Next, I'm gonna apply blush, and now I'm gonna use Nympha Aura by Sigma Beauty. I like this blush so much. It's very pigmented, so I'm gonna apply just a little at a time using the Spotlight Duster brush. So now I'm gonna apply one of the most beautiful highlighters in the whole world, and this is Stargazer by Melt Cosmetics. Oh my god, look at this highlighter. This is so beautiful. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna use also Melt Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick, and this is the shade Ladylike. is amazing. I love this kind of nudish pinkish color. It's so sexy and amazing. So that's it, my lovies, for this tutorial. I love this color combination and I really hope that you like this tutorial. So thank you so much for watching and I see you later in the next tutorials. Oh, but of course you can change the colors as you like.